guys, come along for the Light the Night celebration at Mountain Village in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. The footage you are enjoying is from February of 2023. You can enjoy the illumination from the hot air balloons while night skiing or slopeside with a nice hot cocoa. I had a great time singing and dancing in the snow, and the fireworks at the end was a great treat. More details can be found in the description below.
What'd you say, babe? What'd you say? Oh, we got. That's a nice gonna be a good night. That's a nice gonna be a good night.
I need to put my other glove on.
Oh, they're definitely ready. Okay.